ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic, yellow turmeric, a teaspoon of chili, a teaspoon of cumin powder, ground coriander, and Chana Masala with a pinch of cinnamon. A can of fresh tomatoes, not fresh canned. We have a tablespoon of tomato paste, a can of chickpeas, and a can of coconut cream, fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper, and you need a blender. That's it.
Around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm gonna put onion first for a few minutes until it's nice and soft. While you're waiting for your onions to be ready, you can always do a bit of a dance routine. Add ginger and garlic and fry for a minute or so. So I'm taking all the spices and adding to our onion, garlic, ginger mix. Smells good. Okay, like this, you have a tomato paste or puree or whatever tomatoes you have. You freeze the temperature and put the lid on. I forgot to mention that you also add tomato paste. Once your tomato mix is ready, back into your same pan, so you don't need to wash many pans. Save water. And then I'm putting 2 cans of coconut milk. We want this to be a nice and equal. So 2 bowls of chickpeas, which is 2 cans. Your normal standard 400 milliliter can. And I mix it in. Your stew or Chana Masala is nice and boiling. It took around 20 minutes on a medium heat. Then you add 1 juiced lemon. And here it goes.
To give it some more flavor, you could use a teaspoon of salt, but also if you want to reduce your diet in salt a little bit, we like to use miso paste.
You can see who's watching a lot of cooking videos.